just went out and got a hair lightening kit in platinum blonde, so I'm going to touch up my roots. It will be all nice and blonde at the front. Yeah, so I'm going to bleach my roots now and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to mix up the bleach, apply it onto my roots, leave it for 45 minutes, and then I should have a nice platinum blonde bangs again. And I will probably apply some more of the hair lightening spray on the ends of my hair when that's all sorted. Beautiful. So pretty. Okay, I'm getting distracted. I'm going to mix the bleach up now and then do these bad boys. So the hair bleach I have is the Pure Platinum number 11. This is super easy. I almost picked up the wrong one and I only realised because of the strange looking woman on the box. So super simple. We got the applicator brush, we have the blue bleach powder. I think this is just normal white coloured powder, but we have the bleaching powder. We've got the hydrogen peroxide, we have a little mixing dish tray, gloves, even comes with a little spatula, some toning pebble shampoo. I actually have the Schwarzkopf silver shampoo already, but I can use that one's just as good. Okay, mix it up. I'm not going to use the whole amount because I'm only just doing this tiny little bit at the front. So I'm going to section my hair off, mix up the bleach, and get back to you. And this is where you can really see how that hair lightening spray, definitely like half a shade lighter. Right, and then just to be safe, I'm going to put on a headband so I don't bleach this bit. Don't forget to take off my watch because I'm gonna get bleach everywhere. Now I'm gonna eyeball it. I normally just do half and half of the peroxide, half of the powder, mix it up. So probably, if this is for a full head, I normally need at least like 2 or 3 boxes for a full head. So I'm probably just gonna use like half of this. Yeah, it's white powder. Quite thick. Oh, it stinks. Just make sure it's mixed up real good, no bumps or lumps inside that mixture. This is like the mega strong stuff. I bet this is like 40 vol in this box dye, but good thing I know what I'm doing. I don't know why, but every time I bleach my hair I get really nervous, even though I've done it like a million times. So I'm just going to work in sections. Part the hair and then just keep applying, so I'm just going to part it and work my way along. Hopefully not use too much. almost done, a little bit left. And then I go through and check it over and touch up any bits I've missed. Okay, now I'm just going to touch up any bits. Oh look, it's turning blonde already. I'm going to set a timer for half an hour, 30 minutes. Okay, what time is it? Okay, so it's 4:46 now. Now we wait. It's good. Don't think I overlapped anything. Just checking. Okay, done. So I just went through, just double checked if I have missed any bits, and I think I got them all. Okay, so I'll get back to you, and yeah. Okay, so the bleach has been on for just 15 minutes. I just posted on my stories. Oh yeah, by the way, look, new phone case. Matches my nails. So cute. All my nails match my phone case. So the bleach has been on my hair for 15 minutes and it's turning so fast. This is definitely like a 40 bowl developer. It's almost ready to be washed out, to be honest, after just like 20 minutes. Because it took me like 5 minutes to apply it, didn't it? So yeah, no longer than half an hour. So once it's been, because it's like nice banana yellow colour, so I'm probably going to leave it on for like another 5 minutes and then rinse it out in the shower, use my Schwarzkopf silver shampoo, and then I'll use this silver toner conditioner that it came with, and then I'll come back to you. But wow, I'm so surprised how much this is lightened within like 15 minutes. Very strong developer. So this is why they say bulk dyes can be bad, because you have no idea the strength of the peroxide that they put in. So, but hey, it's good. I used this before. This is what the one I used from the Kraidvat to do the blonde in the first place, because all my stuff's in storage at the moment. So yeah, I'm just waiting to get all my hair dye back. But yeah, oh, it looks so much better already. Oh my goodness. Yes, I should have done it sooner, but hey-yo. I mean, if they get too long, sometimes it can be a bit more annoying to do the... I mean, if I left it any longer, it would have been kind of a bit more of a job to do it, because you can get like the banding and you end up like patchy. So like 3 centimeters max for a nice bleaching. Now for the last 5 minutes, I'm going to drag that down and kind of overlap just for the last 5 minutes, just to blend in the blonde with the existing colour, which is blonde. But I'm not going to leave this in any longer than like 5 minutes, because it's just to blend in the bleaching. So now I'm going to get in the shower and wash it out. Yeah, this bit still needs a little bit longer, but it's fine. Go. Okay, I just washed out the bleach and I think I had it on. I didn't even have it on for 30 minutes. I think I had it on for like 25 minutes. So this mega strong. Oh my god, like whoa. Look at that. Look at that lift. Like 20 minutes. What? So I used the Schwarzkopf Silver shampoo and then I used the purple toning shampoo that it came with, and yeah, I mean by the time it's dry, nice. Yeah, it's still wet right now, but like look at that. Nice. Ooh yeah. I think there was like a piece of brown that got away, but it's fine. Yeah. So yeah, that didn't even take that long. I don't know why. I always end up avoiding it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I love the colour of Bleach Blonde. It's so nice. And then when it is dry, it will look a lot lighter shade of blonde as well. I just used the hairdryer. Wow. Whoa. Oh, it's so much better. And there we go. Wow, that looks so much better now. No more roots. Freshly bleached bangs. I love it. So the next thing, I'll just be using the hair lightening spray on the ends of my dress, and I'll get back to you in a few days to see how much I can lighten them a little bit more. But look at that. Now with the freshly bleached roots looking amazing. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I'll see you lovelies in my next video. Bye guys. Yummy blonde. Ooh. Yummy. I love the colour of bleach blonde, like just like this. I just think it's yum yum. The ends of my hair as well with the lightening spray. I love the results. It's just kind of like a gradual lightening, but just enough to see, especially after just a couple days of using it. I'm pleased with the results. Do you want to be in the video? Oh, it's baby Sushi, hello. Hey baby. Oh. She doesn't like cuddles. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye guys.